everyone, my name is Carolyn and today I am going to show you how to draw a 4-leaf clover with ladybugs on it. So you're going to need a pencil or a Sharpie. I'm going to use a black Sharpie today. You're also going to need paper. I'm using my sketchbook and I'm going to have my sketchbook vertical or up and down. I have a yellow green and then just a regular red. So how to draw a shamrock is what I do is I draw hearts, 3 hearts. So I'm going to start right in the middle of my paper and I'm going to draw a heart. And then I'm going to draw a heart sideways. So I'm going to draw it sideways like that. If you need to turn your paper to do that, it's a good way to do it too. And then I'm going to draw my other heart like this. Okay, so there's your 3-leaf clover or your shamrock. And then I'm going to draw the stem going out. I'm going to draw a curved line. And I'm going to draw a little bit of a curved line here. And then I'm going to bring that up and I'm going to make it thinner or closer together, these lines closer together as I'm curving up, back up to the middle. That. So I'm going to draw 3 ladybugs. One's going to be on the leaf, one's going to be on the stem, and one's going to be kind of in the middle right here. Okay, so let's draw the first one, and he's going to be crawling up on the side of this leaf. So I'm just going to draw a half circle right there, and then a smaller half circle right there for his head. And then I'm going to color his head in black. And then I'm going to draw their antennae, and I'm going to do 2 cute curly antennae like that. And then I'm going to draw the ladybug spots. I'm going to do a curved half circle there and color it in. And you could really do whatever you want. Do lots of spots. You could do just a few. Then my other ladybug now is going to be on the stem. And you can really make this however you want to. You can put your ladybugs wherever. This is just where I'm doing it. You could do as many ladybugs as you want. I'm going to do mine right here. This one's crawling up the edge of the stem here. Okay, now I'm going to draw my other one. I'm going to draw a smaller one on the leaf right here. And I'm just going to do a oval. And then I'm going to draw a line to cut that oval in half. And then I'm going to do a half circle right here. And I'm going to color it in. Do some antenna. And I'm going to give this ladybug some spots. Okay, so that's how I draw a shamrock with some ladybugs. So let's get coloring. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. For more videos, you can go to my channel, Carolyn Cassidy Art, and please subscribe. Bye.